Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a question that's pretty good, and I might have done something like this before, but maybe not this easy. They wanted to use six-sided polygons with spaces between them equally, and if we draw like a blue box, go up to Object, Order, back a page, you can see that the white is not there; it's transparent. This would it's really easy. Most people would try, and I probably used to do it this way. Try to go like nudge like quarter of an inch and uh, well, first of all, Control D and make a duplicate, then move that over, and then nudge it a quarter of an inch, and then do that and do that and do that. But then you have to go here and try to move it. There's nothing to snap to because there's no middle, and you just have to guess. So why not do it with some tools inside of Corel? I'm going to go to Effects. So this is red. I'm going to contour in black, 0.1. I'm going to do a little bit less this time. Now you would want to select it all and go to Object and break the contour apart. You want to go to Object and group it together. Now we're going to make it something easy to mathematically change. My ratio locked, so it made it 2 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 2 inches. I'm going to, and also it's going to double that line when we move it. So that line now is, you know what, let's do that. Let's make the line quite a bit thinner. Let's make it like 0.05. Now remember it's a contour, so you've got to go break the contour apart and then go ahead and group it together, which is Control G. And then let's make it that 2 inches. Now when we nudge, well, I went back, if you remember, so I changed it to 2. Control D. So that way that line will only be so far. Doesn't matter how many you make. Group them together, Control G, Control D. Now you have something to snap to. If you have snap to object on, it'll snap right to that. And then you could continue doing that, but then you'd be going down a hill. So if you grab that at Control G, Control D, and then come straight down, and there's a mathematical way you could do this. But then when you go Control D, you've got that. Now, so we've got all these items, but we need to get rid of the red line. Easily done. Go up and select it all and go up to Object Group and ungroup all. Let's open another deal under Edit, Find and Replace. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to grab a red one, and you can see red down here. From Selection, find all, and then just hit Delete. So now all those are equally spaced apart and pretty cool. And you could put, a picture behind there or anything you want. I wish I'd left the picture up, but Control G to group them because we'd ungrouped them. Then if you had a horizontal picture, landscape, portrait, and just to show you that it's, well, let's do this blue cube. Now to do this, you want to make sure you can see the polygons and then go up here to the intersect tool and look at that. So now I have the picture with spaces between them and it's got red lines. So I'm going to go ahead and select it all and right click no outline. So now it's just got, I like it. I wish I would have done the picture with this thinner line. It really makes stuff stand out, but I mean, it's dead on perfect. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two and helped that person, and thank you for watching.